Are you ready to transform website visitors into loyal customers with the power of instant connection? Let's dive straight into setting up Zendesk live chat and watch your customer satisfaction soar. First, log into your Zendesk account and navigate to the Admin Center. This is your mission control for all things Zendesk. Next, on the left sidebar, click on the channels icon and then select Messaging and Social. This is where you'll manage your live chat settings. Now click on Add Channel, then select Zendesk Messaging. This will kickstart the process of setting up your chat widget. Give your channel a descriptive name, something your customers will recognize. Upload a profile picture, usually your company logo now. Customize the color scheme to match your brand. This will help the widget seamlessly blend into your website. Once you're happy with your customizations, click Save. After saving, you'll be presented with a code snippet. This is the magic code that brings your live chat to life. Copy this entire snippet. Now, open your website's HTML code. You'll want to paste the Zendesk code snippet into the code, preferably right before the closing body tag. This ensures the chat widget loads correctly on every page. Refresh your website, and voila! Your Zendesk live chat widget should now be visible, ready to assist your visitors with their queries. Start chatting and watch your customer satisfaction climb.